Were OSS and SOE codes ever broken? Imagine trying to keep a secret in the chaos of World War II. The success of covert missions often depended on how well these secret messages stayed hidden. Now, let's see if those codes ever got cracked. The Office of Strategic Services, the United States Wartime Intelligence Agency, used many different codes and cipher machines. Some of these were very secure, like the Sagaba machine, which was designed to be nearly unbreakable. But not all systems were equally strong. Early on, the OSS also used simpler ciphers, like the Hagelin machine and the M130 strip cipher. These were easier for enemies to crack. German spies and their allies, including Finnish and Hungarian forces, managed to intercept and read some OSS messages. German intelligence, especially the Sicherheitsdienst, knew that some OSS codes were vulnerable. They had some success in reading parts of OSS communications, which could have led to compromised operations. The OSS leadership sometimes ignored warnings about code security, which added to the risk. Despite these issues, the United States also used highly secure systems like the Sagaba machine, which was considered very resistant to code-breaking efforts. Turning to the Special Operations Executive, the British organization responsible for sabotage and espionage, their codes were generally more secure. They used radio ciphers and one-time pads, which are very hard to break if used correctly. While German signals intelligence tried to intercept and decode SOE messages, there are no reports of their main codes being broken on a large scale. However, the Germans did manage to capture some radio traffic and agents' equipment. This sometimes led to arrests and the exposure of resistance networks. So agents faced constant threats of interception, but their use of complex ciphers and secure communication methods helped keep their messages safe most of the time. Still, no system was perfect, and some individual networks were compromised. So in the end, some OSS codes were broken or partially compromised, especially the less secure ones. This posed risks to American covert operations. The British SOE, on the other hand, generally kept their main codes safe from large-scale cryptanalysis, though some agents and networks were caught. Both organizations worked hard to improve their security, knowing that the success of their missions depended on it.